In today's video, I am going to teach you how to learn anything with Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser. Once you are on the main page, look for the option that says Create New and click it. This is how you start a fresh notebook dedicated to the topic you want to learn. Think of a notebook as your personal study space where all of your learning materials and notes will live in one place, so it is worth naming it clearly and keeping it focused on one subject. Right after you click Create New, a pop-up window will appear asking you to add sources. This is where the learning power comes from, because Notebooklm works best when you give it high-quality material to study with you. In this pop-up, you can add PDFs, paste in URLs to articles or web pages, or attach files from Google Drive. Choose sources that match your goal, such as a textbook chapter, lecture notes, documentation, or a reliable article. If you add more than one source, try to keep them closely related, because that makes the answers clearer and more consistent. Once your sources are loaded, take a moment to notice the layout. On the right sidebar, you will see Studio. This area includes tools like Audio Overview and Video Overview. Studio is useful when you want a guided summary or a different way to review the same content. You can use it to reinforce what you are studying and to help you stay engaged, especially when you want a quick overview before diving deeper. Now move your attention to the bottom of the screen where the chat box is. This is where you actively learn. Type a specific question into the chat box to query your sources. Be clear and direct. Ask for definitions, explanations, comparisons, key takeaways, or step-by-step reasoning based only on the materials you provided. The more precise your question is, the more useful the response will be for studying. When you get a response you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins it to your board so your best explanations, summaries, and insights do not get lost. Save the parts that you want to review later, and you will quickly build a clean study set you can revisit anytime. That covers everything you need to know.